Okay, so the last lesson that we had in Chapter 2 was Lesson 9, and it was solving multi-step word problems. And we know multi-step means, oh, you might have to do 2, 3, or 4 things in a problem, okay? And we had said it's not that hard if you read the word problems carefully and understand what it wants you to do. All right, so we know a sentence that contains an equal sign is called the equation. Both sides of the equal signs are equal, or they're balanced, like this scale here. We use a variable, which is a symbol, and it's usually a letter to represent what we don't know, the unknown. All right, so let's take a look at this problem. Jake has 10 marbles. Well, guys, whenever I see numbers, I start to underline because it just takes it to the forefront of my mind. So Jake has 10 marbles. Brady has 5 marbles. They gave a few marbles to Nathan. They gave a few marbles to Nathan. Well, first of all, I don't know how many they gave him. And think about, if you give something, are you adding or are you subtracting? I think that's subtraction when you give something. All right, so they gave some marbles to Nathan. They have 11 marbles now. How many marbles did they give to Nathan? Okay, so we write our number equation, our number sentence equation, and it's 10, which represents Jake, plus 5, which is Brady's, minus m, this is our variable, okay? This is what they gave to Nate, all right? And again, it's subtraction, but we don't know. And then equals 11, all right? Well, when we go ahead and we solve it, we go 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus m equals 11, all right? Well, think about it. 15 minus what equals 11? 4. So we would say that m equals 4. Now, you want to make sure that that works. So I go back to my number sentence. I'm going to rewrite my number sentence and plug in what I think m is. All right, so I have 10 marbles from Jake plus 5 marbles. We gave 4 marbles to Nate, and it should equal 11. So my equation here should be equal. The left side should be the same as the right. Well, 10 plus 5 is 15, minus 4 equals 11, and then 15 minus 4 is 11. All right, so your equation is equal, so you know that your problem is correct. All right, let's do one more. Zoe's bowling team has 16 girls and 7 boys. One of the girls quit the team. How many players do they have now? Well, I know there's 16 girls, 7 boys, and 1 girl quit. And you have to think, if 1 girl quits, would that be addition or subtraction? I think that's subtraction. So my equation is 16 plus 7 minus 1 equals P for how many, the players. And if I do 16 plus 7 and then minus 1, my players, there's 22 players. All right, so you're going to have a couple word problems that you need to do. Take your time, write your equation out. Think about what the words are telling you. All right, guys, have fun.